guys, today I'm going to show you how to make papaya salad because papaya salad is good to eat. COVID-19, this is everything in one right here. I'm going to show you how to do it, okay? First, I'm going to show you how to take a peel out like this, just like that, okay? Very easy. Okay, take all the green out right here. Alright, that's done right there. Okay, first I divide by 2, just like that. Because this is young papaya, young papaya, okay? To take the seed out, you just use spoon just like that, square on top like that. Young papaya, they have the white seed. You don't want yellow papaya because they're over. You cannot make salad that one too yellow. So you can eat just a yellow and sweet. But this is crunchy papaya. Okay, that's done right there. Okay, guys, to slice papaya, you gotta have this tool. You slice papaya, you can go to Thai market. They got this one $3.99, $4.99. It's very easy. Okay, I'm gonna show you how to spread this papaya. Just like that, right? See that? Just like that. Okay, so easy when you have this tool right here. You can spread papaya just like that. Okay, very easy. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and finish this up and show you next step. Okay. Just like that. Okay, you spread almost finished right here, just all the way. Finish it up. Alright guys, finish. Okay, my ingredient is gonna be cherry tomato and Lao and Thailand eggplant right here, and 1 lamb. That's why I say eat this papaya gonna help you COVID virus because this is all the ingredient good, and plus garlic, hot pepper. Of course, this is papaya, guys. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how to put them together. First of all, I'm gonna chop that one first. I'm gonna cut that, and squeeze that. Okay. Last ingredient. Okay guys, my ingredient set. I put 2 lamb. That's 4 pieces of the 2 lamb. Okay. Eggplant, Lao eggplant ready, and cherry tomato ready, and Lao hot pepper and garlic ready. Okay. Let's go start it. Okay, first garlic and hot pepper going down just like that. Ready. Everything you do, you prep first. Make whatever you want to eat, okay? Okay, and they're going down. Second, down. Vitamin C, that's why with COVID-19 coming, it's not hard, not easy to get you because you eat all the good stuff right here. Papaya salad, guys. 2 is 1 lamb. 3. Last one, number 4. Put a lot of sour, guys. Vitamin C. You cannot get sick because you eat all the vitamin C and good stuff right here. Okay, that's it. 2 lamb right there. Tomato and eggplant going down together like that. Okay, very easy. Alright, let's get seasoning. My seasoning gonna only 3 things. Okay, this is Lao fish sauce. ปลาแดก okay? Lao fish sauce. And this is Vietnamese fish sauce 3 crab you can use Thai fish sauce Vietnamese fish sauce no problem 3 crab more tasty and I use brown sugar today okay let's go start let's start with lard fish sauce first okay I will take 2 spoon you don't want to put too much because this is like anchovy basic anchovy sauce okay and now 3 crab fish sauce 2 spoon 3 spoon okay and after that brown sugar if not enough you always put more but now you take first brown sugar it's not too sweet it's sugar like this it's good one okay let's mix okay put the glove on so let's go good if not enough anything you always add on okay so start mix and I will let you know alright okay let's taste it taste first yes I need more fish sauce that's all tastes good this can be 3 spoon 4 spoon okay 4 spoon let's mix again okay guys go taste it this is 4 spoon of fish sauce very good I need some more 5 spoon okay because on papaya there you go it's done just like that so I put the lamb set right here okay lamb set make it taste so good put the lamb set in here just cut it very thin small it smells so good guys okay the lamb set in see the lamb set make papaya taste so good okay let's put in a plate and serve ready to eat see that so easy very easy yeah there you have it quick papaya salad guys covid-19 take care of yourself and you're not gonna get sick when you eat this okay let's go started put the salad there you can eat with salad guys okay there you have it guys and then boil egg I boil only 7 minutes 7 minutes perfect and then dissolve in cool water look at that papaya salad guys ready to eat and put egg on the side if you want egg you don't that's no problem egg only cook 7 minutes when the water boiling 7 minutes when the water boiling and you put egg in there say 7 minutes stop and put in cold water after that see that yum right oh wow okay guys come on eat if you have cold or you sick that's what you have to eat okay guys this is vitamin and medicine fix everything for you right here